I'm Sheikh Hadar. Today I'm going to talk to you about how does the product manager career look like. So if you're thinking that product owner and product manager is end of it, then probably you're wrong. So there is more to it, and I want you to explain exactly what is the responsibility of each and every role in this hierarchy up until chief product officer. I would also explain you that why it is easier to get into a product owner role than you would have thought about it. If you already spent some time in software field as a developer, quality expert, or UI designer, and you're thinking of getting into a product role, then I think so you should think about it because it's like any other career progression. It's fairly easy. It is also considered as a progression, not like you're actually trying out to do something very new. So because you are the ones who are actually very close to development team and you know it better than anybody else. That means development, design, functionality, everything. So you will be the exact suit for this when it comes to mapping. As a role, what you're supposed to do is converting user requirements into technical details where you already know one part of it and you just have to understand the second part. So, and I don't think it is very difficult because I have done it myself. If you have a good observing skills and if you have collaboration skills and you are ready to learn new things, then it is should be fairly easy to collaborate and do this small learning, which is just understanding the business requirements. So, and you know the second part, which is technical. Product management is a complex field with various levels of responsibilities and decision making. So, typically, the career progression in product management looks like you start with product owner and you become product manager, senior product manager, director of product, VP of product, and then chief product officer. So, there are different levels, and the decisions are made at different levels, as I discussed. So, it is not that the product owner would be responsible for each and every task like making a strategy, launching the app, or defining marketing goals or whatnot. So this is not the responsibility of product owner. Product owner has specific responsibilities. Let's understand the responsibilities of product owner. As a product owner, you represent a customer to your development team. So that means you are going to tell exactly team what is to be developed and how it needs to be developed. But this what needs to be developed has actually come from top down. So you are mostly not defining this what needs to be developed, and you are actually going to tell like how it needs to be developed. So this is what is the responsibility of product owner. So you'll be collaborating with other product teams who are engineering and user experience team. So and you are going to deliver what is asked to deliver. Let's understand you have spent some time in product owner and now you are turned into a product manager. So at this product manager level, you are going to build a strategy. You are going to get a new feature and you are going to manage the timelines. As you gain experience as a product manager, then you will be landed into a senior product manager. You will be expanding your horizons and you will be discussing and thinking about broader aspects of the product. You will be leading teams and you will be doing market analysis and you will be doing research about product. And you will be the responsible person to shape up the long-term vision of a product. The next role in the career progression is the director of a product. The level of director, what you are going to define is the development processes that are involved in product development. So you are going to define those processes and see that those processes are followed by product teams, and you are going to collaborate with all the product teams and see that it is exactly followed as mentioned as in document. So next to this is a VP of product. As a VP of product, it is a very strategic role, and you are going to help the product organization be future proof and to face any challenges that is coming in the future. As you progress further, the final and the most important role is Chief Product Officer. The Chief Product Officer is responsible for a long-term steering of the product vision or organization's vision on their products. So it is typically 3 to 5 years, and this is what they do. And this is the next to any Chief Executive Officer role, and the next role would be CEO. As you have taken a product journey, you understand the customer, you understand the markets, and you understand the development teams very well. So hence you will be right candidate for CEO or chief executive officer, which is the top most role in any organization. Why did I explain about all these roles and responsibilities? It is to make you understand that product owner role is not something where you are expected to do drive strategies. You're not expected to do any market analysis. You're not expected to do a long-term 5-year product roadmap. Right. So there are different decision levels that are going to have these decisions. So your responsibility is solely to convert the requirements into a technical thing that a developer can understand. So this doesn't need a lot of things that you imagine that would need. So this probably may need some understanding of the product and how to be in the customer's feet and think like a customer. So if you have these capabilities and if you have some part of prioritization and some part of stakeholder management, so I fairly believe that this role can be done without any failure. So you need not need any executive MBAs or anything for that matter. You just have to understand that basic things required to be done as a product owner, which is right, like writing a good user story, writing acceptance criteria, and defining all the use cases which are coming in this scenario, and testing the product as like a customer, and prioritizing whatever is coming as a product backlog. If you are doing all this in a proper fashion, then you are good to be a product owner. At the end, I would say that to turn from a technical guy to a product owner, you just need simple business acumen, which is nothing but value for money and the customer perspective. If you know this, if you understand this well, then definitely you can be a product owner. After that, you can learn in progressive way about product management and senior product management and chief product officer. These are all progressions. So that will definitely would happen as you gain seniority. You will definitely understand what is the next step that is going to happen. So the easiest thing that can happen to you is coming from a technical background, coming from a QA background, coming from any functional background, going into a product owner is the easiest thing that you can achieve. And after that, which is like getting into a product manager role. So where you need more learning and more understanding of the products and markets and trends, but at the beginning you don't need all of them. So don't spend your money or your time in learning a lot of things when you are already ready for a product owner role. You can follow me in LinkedIn and you can subscribe to this channel to understand what is required for a product owner to turn that technical expertise into a business acumen, which is just required for a product owner and not beyond that. So after that, you can take off to product manager at your will. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and please share this video with whoever is looking for a product owner role from QA, designer or developer. So I would help them to understand the easier transition that can happen to them is a product owner. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.